Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 8 best DJ controllers. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Roland 2-channel DJ Controllers. Roland moved into the DJ controller market for the first time in recent years, releasing a range of Era-branded controllers for use with Serato DJ Pro. The real selling point here is the inclusion of the TRS drum machine, and the DJ 505 delivers well in this regard. The sounds are the same as those in the first-gen TR8, offering digital recreations of Roland's 909, 808, and 707 beatmakers, some of the best emulations you'll find in modern hardware. The 505 isn't the top of Roland's controller range, but we like the affordability and convenience of this model, while the 505 is a little visually garish, given its compact size and affordable price. It'd make a good studio addition for bedroom producers who are looking for both a DJ scratch pad and a hardware drum machine. Number 7 in my list is Rane 12 DJ Controllers. As is probably evident from looking at it, the Rane 12 is somewhat different from many of the controllers on this list. Rather than replicate a full DJ setup, with 2 or more players and a mixer, this controller is designed specifically to replace a single vinyl turntable. While most DJ controller jog wheels tend to feel, at best, similar to a club standard CDJ, with its aluminum platter and true vinyl style, drive the Rane 12 is as close as you can get to mixing with wax without using the real thing. The deck is compatible with the likes of Serato and Virtual DJ via USB, but also outputs DVS audio via an RCA port, which is compatible with most major digital vinyl systems. It's also MIDI equipped too. The obvious downside here is no mixer functionality, meaning you'll need more gear to complete your setup. It works great as an authentic feeling addition to a DVS-ready mixer setup though, and can be paired with anything from a second 12 deck to a sampler or pad-based controller. Number 6 in my list is Pioneer -400 DJ Controllers. Pioneer DJ's 2-channel record box controller is proof that affordable DJ gear needn't be just for beginners. While the DDJ 400 lacks a number of the more advanced features of the DDJ 1000 above, such as the deeper effect controls, it's more than equipped for most club DJ duties. The most interesting things about the DDJ 400 are the design touches it shares with Pioneer's flagship Nexus CDJs and mixers. Not only are the feel and layout reminiscent of those higher-end units, but some distinctive features are carried over, including dedicated loop controls and memory cue buttons. Effectively, skills learned and refined on the 400 can be directly transferred to Pioneer's industry-standard club setups, which makes this an excellent DJ controller for beginners and pro DJs looking for a compact home rig. Number 5 in my list is Roland DJ Controllers. While the Roland DJ 202 measures up as a super solid 2-channel controller for Serato software, it's not the least expensive option out there. What makes it an irresistible prospect for serious DJs on a budget is its inclusion of an upgrade to Serato DJ Pro, for US customers only. You may have to jump through some hoops with customer service to get the Serato DJ Pro license, but DJ 202 buyers are still getting it in 2023. Either way, the DJ 202 is packed with features for its size. 2 effects sections give you full control over Serato's internal audio effects, and the mic input has onboard reverb and echo. Its 8 performance pads per side support 8 pad modes, including one that lets you use the 16 total pads together to sequence drum beats using the famous sounds of Roland's classic drum machines. The TR909, TR808, TR707, and TR606. A MIDI output also lets you sync the DJ 202 tempo from the software to external MIDI gear like samplers, synthesizers, or drum machines, a rarity for a DJ controller. Number 4 in my list is Numark Go 2-Touch DJ Controllers. For an ultra-compact DJ controller weighing only 12 ounces and measuring 12.4 by 3.4 inches, the Numark DJ Go 2-Touch dishes out a surprising amount of controls and functionality. There are many reasons to have such a tiny DJ controller, including the ability to take a mini rig almost anywhere to casually play from either a laptop or an iOS device. But the DJ2 Go 2 Touch can suffice even for more professional mobile DJ or gigs where a larger controller is either impractical or unnecessary. This slim controller connects with an included mini USB to USB cable and both monitor and headphone outputs. Each mini deck includes playback controls, headphone cue controls, level, pitch fader, 4 trigger pads, and a jog wheel. The DJ2 Go 2 Touch jog wheels have been upgraded from the previous DJ2 Go 2 controller to be capacitive on the top to enable both scratching and track nudging from the jog wheel's side. There are even 4 selectable pad modes: cue triggering, auto looping, manual looping, and sample triggering. Number 3 in my list is Denon Prime 4 DJ Controllers. Pioneer DJ standalone DJ systems like the XDJ RX3 are home setup mainstays, in part because you can use the same record box prepared USB sticks from the standalone system on club gear like the CDJ 3000. However, the Denon DJ Prime 4 unequivocally packs the most features into its 4-deck frame at a lower price than its main competitors, less than $2,000. On first glance of the Prime 4, the eye goes immediately to its brilliant 10.1-inch touchscreen, which offers gesture control familiar to mobile device users powered by the system's multi-core processing. You can play music files from 4 USB inputs and an SD card slot without the use of a laptop, or hook it up to a computer loaded with Serato DJ Pro or virtual DJ software. The Prime 4 also has built-in Wi-Fi and an Ethernet port for accessing music from your personal Dropbox collection or from 4 streaming services: Tidal, SoundCloud Go+, Beatport Link, and BeatSource Link. Subscriptions required. The multi-view touchscreen can clearly show large scrolling waveforms for all 4 decks at once, either horizontally or vertically, allows fast and easy track browsing and loading, lets you create playlists on the fly, and dynamically shows the relevant parameters as you play, such as looping, beat slicing, track roll, and other performance pad modes. Number 2 in my list is Native Instruments DJ Controllers. There are many DJ controllers aimed at beginners, but if your goal is to not remain an entry-level entertainer forever, the Native Instruments Tractor Controllers 2MK3 lets you start out with a manageable piece of hardware that semi-pro and pro-level DJs will still use when a gig calls for a relatively small DJ controller. Even better, beginners can start out with the free Tractor DJ2 software, available for Mac, Windows, and iPad, which is very approachable to beginners, yet still has the core features you need for credible DJ sets. Tractor DJ2 is also one of the best DJing apps for iPad, and the S2MK3 includes a dedicated USB port for device connections. When you're ready to graduate from Tractor DJ2, you can step up to Tractor Pro 3, which is included with the S2MK3. Tractor Pro 3 now also has a Pro Plus subscription for added performance features like a drum pattern sequencer, but it's not necessary to subscribe to use the main Tractor Pro 3 software. Aside from its manageable size, about 19.1 by 10.4 inches, and flexible software options, the S2MK3 puts a decent amount of controls at your fingertips for a small controller. Number 1 in my list is Rane One DJ Controllers. Among DJ-focused brands, Rane has carved out a niche as one of the most trusted and beloved names that concentrate on the needs of scratch DJs. The company makes some of the best scratch DJ mixers, such as the 72 MKII, and now it has laid claim to some of the best DJ controllers for scratching. While you can scratch with most DJ controllers with jog wheels, dedicated scratch DJs most often prefer to use vinyl turntables to scratch, because that's where they have the most control and the best feel to practice their art form. However, with the Rane One, scratch DJs don't have to sacrifice much to use a DJ controller. It provides the feel of 2 turntables with a scratch mixer, along with conveniences like a dedicated loop section, track browsing and loading, and 8 multifunction performance pads on each deck. The 2 motorized 7-inch turntable platters have the feel of real vinyl including vinyl break speed adjustment, and the buttery smooth professional scratch DJ Mag 4 crossfader equals those of high-end scratch mixers, including tension and contour adjustment. Rane One's mixer section has 6 FX buttons for calling up effects combinations within the DJ software, and the aluminum FX paddles give scratch DJs the effects control they crave. The ability to lock the effects on or to momentarily toggle the effects on with the paddle down. Alright guys, this we are today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for amazing and coming videos. Be sure to check out the link in the description for updated price of all the products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.